Jerry purchased a one-year $5,000 bond that paid an annual interest rate of 4% compounded every 6 months. How much interest had this bond accrued at maturity? So it is important. You won't necessarily get interest questions on the GMAT, although you might, and so you may decide that it's worth your while to memorize the formula. So to write it out in words, the amount of money that you get at the end is equal to the principal times, and then we have 1 plus the annual rate divided by the times that it's compounded. And that whole thing is raised to the times that it's compounded times, in turn, the number of years power. And it's usually abbreviated with letters, but I was just explaining what that would be in actual English. So the amount is going to, and we fill in the numbers from the actual problem. The amount is going to equal that principal of $5,000 times 1 plus, and we express the annual rate as a decimal, so that's 0.04. And it's compounded twice per year. It's every 6 months, so that's 2 times a year. And it is raised then to, it's 2 times a year, and we are trying to find out how much it is after 1 year. So that ends up being 5,000 again times, and 0.04 divided by 2 is 0.02. So in the middle here we have 1.02 to the second power. The amount of money he has is that. And 1.02 to the squared is 1.0404. If you multiply that times 5,000, you end up with $5,202, which is answer choice D.